Hello, my name is Abdul Aziz Al Rawas. I'm from Sultanate of Oman. I'm a senior undergraduate student majoring in supply chain management. My U number is U9728658. Today, in my Tableau project, I'm going to show you 4 different visualizations depending on the dataset I was given. I was given the FIFA 19 dataset, and this dataset contains of 89 fields and 18,207 rows, which shows many information about players such as age, nationality, overall rating, club, and many other traits and information. Going to the first visualization, using the tree map, we'll see which country has more players in the game. Obviously, with the largest square, England has the most players in the game with 1,662 players. Germany comes in the second place with 1,198 players, then Spain, then Argentina, then France. Also, we can see that Europe has the most players in the game. And from South America, there are Argentina, Brazil, Colombia that has lots of players, such like we can see 937 from Argentina, 618 from Colombia, and 827 players from Brazil. Going down through the small squares, we can see which countries has only one player, such as Ethiopia, Guam, Liberia, Malta. Oman unfortunately only has one player, and finally with the United Arab Emirates with only one player. Going to the second visualization, using the bar graph, you'll see the average sprint speed of the players depending on their height. So the shorter the player, the faster he is, and the taller the player, the slower he is. For instance, an average sprint speed for a player with the height of 5'2" is 78.20, whereas the average sprint speed of a player with the height 6'9" is only 27.50. So we can see the difference between the short and tall player in football or soccer. Going to the third visualization, using the box and Worcester plots, we can see the ratings of the the players' ratings in the top 10 clubs. Let's go to, for example, FC Barcelona. You can see that Lionel Messi has the highest rating with 94, and Pina has the lowest rating with 61. And in this gray area, we can see the average ratings of Barcelona players, which is 82, and the highest, as we said, 94, and the lowest is 61. Let's see another club. Let's go to Real Madrid. The highest is Luka Modric with 91. The lowest is shown as Zidane, of course, Zidane the son, not the legend. And in this gray area, you can see that the average rating of Real Madrid players is 80. Going now to the fourth visualization, using the side-by-side graph, we'll see which positions in soccer has the highest agility, lowest agility, and the highest and lowest strength. Starting with agility, the player in the left wing position has the highest agility with the average of 84.42, and the goalkeeper has the lowest agility with the average of 45.53, which is kind of logic, since the left winger plays as a forward, and he has to have a high agility to pass the defenders and score goals. Now going to the average strength, the highest average strength goes to the center back defender with 74.72, whereas the lowest right, with the lowest average strength with the right winger, which plays in the forward with 55.78, which is also logic, since the center back defender has to be strong to stop the attackers to score goals. And this map was used by the side-by-side graph. Going to the dashboard that shows all four visualizations I've talked about today. So that's it. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoyed my presentation.